Hey guys, what's up? Today in this video, I'll show you how you can log in into your Evernote account. Evernote is this amazing productivity tool that you can use in order to take notes or complete tasks throughout the day. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come into Evernote. Once you're in here, it'll ask you whether you want to log in or create an account. In either case, once you have signed up for an Evernote account, you can click on Login Now. And after this, it will ask you to put in your email address or username. If you have signed up using this process, this is how to go ahead. But I have signed up using Google, so I'll click on continue with Google. And once you click on that, you can select the correct account that is associated with Evernote. And once everything is done, this is how your homepage will look. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can log in into your Evernote account. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.